Problem with most appetite suppressants is that in many cases they only address part of the problem. Sometimes people even eat when they don't feel hungry. That's because there are two kinds of hunger. One is a physiological need our body has, which is triggered in the stomach. This is the growling, churning feeling you get. The other is a psychological need triggered in our brain. Even though our stomach is fine or even full, eating produces a satisfaction that drowns out some other deficiency in our lives. So the brain sends a message telling you to eat to take your mind off your other problems. Most appetite suppressants do a pretty good job of making you feel less hungry, but if you're depressed, you may end up eating anyway. The binge eating that many overweight people do is not caused by normal physiological hunger. It is an emotionally reactive response to what their brain is telling them. This emotionally reactive eating is most likely stimulated by at least some form of mild depression. So an appetite suppressant supplement needs to control more than just hunger. It also needs to address mood issues. This can be done by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. With higher serotonin levels, one feels better, so there's less of an urge to eat. So make sure whatever appetite suppressant you choose also has the ability to increase serotonin levels as well. There's a third aspect of appetite suppression that simply can't be addressed with a pill. That one is the learned behavior of eating. Some people eat simply because the clock says it's time to eat, or because that's what their habits say they should do. This type of eating requires new habits, and new habits can be learned in 21 days. So instead of automatically following your normal routines, think about the eating habits you have that may be causing weight gain, such as having a snack right before bedtime. For the next 21 days, make a commitment to stop doing that. Get the right appetite suppressant, change your bad habits, and before long you'll see the pounds start to shed.